Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Quinn and I'm currently updating our 40-year-old house by myself. Today I'm going to paint our living room walls. These are the two-story walls with the wood ceiling and beams. The highest spot is about 22 feet high. I do have two ladders. One is 4 feet and the other one is 6 feet. Initially, I planned to get an 18 to 20 feet ladder, as I also wanted to remodel our fireplace from top to bottom. I checked on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. There were some used ladders with excellent conditions, only asking for less than $100, which I thought that they were very good deals. But that didn't work out with my family. They wouldn't let me get one, and that's non-negotiable. With only one reason, too dangerous, especially for someone like me. I don't blame them. By nature, I'm fearless and not afraid of anything. When I was a little girl, I used to be on the trees all the time like a boy. When I work on 6 feet ladder, I usually use it like this. I do keep reminding myself don't get too comfortable with these ladders, cause that might get me hurt. And there were some moments like this. Anyway, since I'm not going to get a tall ladder, hiring someone to do the job isn't the option either, as that would cost a ton of money. I must find a way to paint the walls up to 22 feet high without ruining the wood ceiling and beams, as there's no way I can tape the edges up to that high. I got this set of painting tools from Amazon. The shape of this pad is supposed to be designed for edges and the corners. It says no tape on the box. Sounds good to me. And that's not gonna work. The pad is too loose. It's impossible to put it in place and have a control over it. So plan A didn't work out. I have to come up with something else. I took a trip to our local Home Depot. Surprisingly, they had a large selection of painting tools. This pad got two little wheels on the top. If I put it against the ceiling, it should be able to move back and forth on these wheels. And the price was lovely. For double security, I got two types of pads, in case one of them fails. I followed the instructions when loading the edger with the paint. Make sure the wheels are clean after loading. Then carefully put it against the wood edge of the ceiling. Move it back and forth slowly to get the top line painted. This edger is working well with the edges. However, it's too small, so it takes a long time to finish the job, and it's hard to control from the long distance. For these two walls with the highest spots, I'm going to try the second pad that I bought from the Home Depot. It's a bit larger, but without any protection on the top, so when loading the paint onto it, I must avoid the top line. This pad is easier to control and makes the painting job a bit faster than the other one. However, because the top doesn't have any protection for the ceiling, even though I didn't load any paint on the top line, but I must be careful when moving it up to the edges. Can't force it against the edge of the ceiling like the other pad. So I did it. It's not a quick job, and it takes patience. I mean a lot. But I saved a ton of money by doing it this way, and that's all that matters. That's it for this time, guys. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.